Today is Saturday. The sun is in the sky. It is a beautiful morning. In a small yellow house lives a woman. Her name is Anna. Anna is in her bed. She opens her eyes. She looks at the clock. It is 9 o'clock. On Saturday, she wakes up late. Anna gets out of bed. She is happy. She loves Saturdays. She walks to the window and opens the curtains. The sun is warm on her face. "What a beautiful day," she says. A small black cat runs into the room. His name is Leo. Leo says, "Meow." Anna smiles. "Good morning, Leo. Are you hungry?" Leo says, "Meow," again, very loud. Anna laughs. They go to the kitchen. The kitchen is bright and clean. Anna gives Leo his cat food. Leo is very happy now. He eats his breakfast. Now it is time for Anna's breakfast. She opens the cupboard. She takes a white cup. She wants coffee. She makes a big cup of hot coffee. It smells good. She also wants toast. She takes 2 slices of bread and puts them in the toaster. Pop! The toast is ready. She puts butter and strawberry jam on her toast. She sits at the table. She drinks her coffee and eats her toast. It is a good breakfast. After breakfast, Anna thinks, "What can I do today? The weather is perfect. I want to go outside." She decides to go to the park. The park is her favorite place. She goes to her bedroom to get ready. She opens her wardrobe. She looks at her clothes. She sees a blue t-shirt and a red t-shirt. She chooses the blue t-shirt. She puts on her favorite jeans and her comfortable white shoes. She looks in the mirror. "Okay, I'm ready," she says. She needs her bag. In her bag, she puts her keys, her phone, and her wallet. Oh, and a book. She loves to read in the park. She chooses a book with a green cover. Now she is really ready. She says, "Goodbye, Leo," to her cat. Leo is sleeping on the sofa. Anna leaves her house and locks the door. The street is quiet. She starts to walk to the park. On her way, she passes a small bakery. The smell of fresh bread is wonderful. She sees a man buying a croissant. She continues to walk. She sees children riding their bicycles. They are laughing. She sees a yellow car and a big red bus. The world is busy on a Saturday. Finally, she arrives at the park. The park is big and very green. There are many tall trees and beautiful flowers. She sees red flowers and yellow flowers. She hears birds singing in the trees. The sound is very peaceful. Anna finds an empty bench under a big tree. It is a perfect spot. She sits down and takes a deep breath. She feels very calm and relaxed. For a few minutes, she just watches the world. She sees a family having a picnic on the grass. She sees a man with a big, friendly dog. The dog is playing with a ball. Then she opens her book. The story is about an adventure in the mountains. She reads one page, then another. She likes the book very much. After some time, she hears a voice. "Hello?" Anna looks up. It is her friend, Tom. He is smiling. "Tom, hello. What a nice surprise," Anna says. "How are you?" Tom asks. He sits next to her on the bench. "I am great, thank you. It is such a perfect day for the park," she replies. "Yes," says Tom. "What are you reading?" "A book about mountains. It's very exciting." They talk for a long time. They talk about books, about movies, and about their week. Tom is very funny. He makes Anna laugh. "I am a little thirsty," says Tom after a while. "Do you want to get an ice cream? There is an ice cream truck near the lake." "Oh, yes, that is a great idea," says Anna. They stand up and walk together to the lake. The ice cream truck is white and plays happy music. There are many flavors. The man in the truck asks, "What would you like?" Tom says, "1 chocolate ice cream, please." Anna says, "And 1 vanilla ice cream for me, please." They get their ice cream and sit on the grass near the lake. They eat their ice cream slowly. It is cold and sweet. They watch the ducks swimming in the water. Later, the sun starts to go down. The sky is orange and pink. "It is getting late," Anna says. "I should go home. Leo is waiting." "Okay," says Tom. "It was very nice to see you." "You too. Goodbye, Tom." "Goodbye, Anna."
Anna walks home. She feels a little tired, but she is very, very happy. When she opens the door to her house, Leo is there. He purrs and rubs against her legs. For dinner, Anna makes a simple pasta. She eats and thinks about her day. The warm sun, the green park, her buck, her friend, the delicious ice cream. It was a long and happy Saturday. It was a perfect day.